Hi, I'm Marilyn San Clemente of Stamp with Marilyn, and welcome to my Creative Playground. Today I'm going to review the Symbols of Fortune suite in the new January to June mini catalog, and I love this suite. It's very, very pretty. I have not had a chance to play with it too much, but I do have a couple of things to show you that some people on my team made. Okay, so this set is beautiful, and I'll show you. It's the Crane of Fortune, and this is the paper that goes with it. It's got some beautiful mint tones and soft succulent. It's got some very, very pretty flowers. Those look like dahlias to me, but I don't think that they are, but I'm not sure. There's some bamboo and some pink. So this has got petal pink in it. Calypso coral, soft succulent, and mint. And then on the back side, everything is embossed with gold. So there's some pretty gold in this as well. So a fancy, fancy paper. And that's the stamp set. And we did a little cheat sheet for this. So this shows you the stamps that are in this, all the sentiments that go with the set, and pieces that you can cut out. And here are the dies. Oops, and there's another little. Here are the dies. So what I think is really cool is there's the die to cut out the crane. There's also the die to cut out that large grouping of flowers, and then there's some dies that cut out these little groupings of leaves as well. And then I don't know the name of this flower, but I do know that it's a oriental design, and actually I love that flower. So so this is the Symbols of Fortune set. Oh, and I forgot to mention there is a ribbon with it. There's a soft succulent ribbon, but that ribbon is on a boat in Long Beach Harbor. So we haven't received it yet, but this is the other soft succulent ribbon that we have. So I just put this on here for now. And then there's also this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mother of pearl paper that goes with this. And it's very, very glossy. And it's really cool. It's like glitter paper with a gloss over top of it. And I'm going to put that up there so I don't lose that. And then these are the polished dots that go with it. And there's some that are kind of off-white, and then there's a clear white colored dot. And they are there's like sparkly pearls almost. Very pretty dots. So, and where did my cards go? I have a couple of cards that were made with this. Here we go. This is really pretty. And my downline Lisa made these. You may have seen Lisa before. So I think this is really pretty. This shows off that beautiful Asian flower. And then this one is gorgeous. Sending 1,000 well wishes on your special day. And here's a pretty flower. It's got some little dragonflies. And I like the way she layered the gray with the calypso coral and the white. So very pretty set, and I can't wait to play with it. Hopefully this weekend I'll have some time to do that. Okay, thank you for stopping by and checking this out, and I will talk to you again soon.